you beautiful peeps, my name's John, welcome to my channel. Today we have the WL Toys 12427. This video is also appropriate for the 12428, except for 2 screws I believe. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to take off the whole upper section of the body shell. Some people have asked how you do it. I've also heard of some people taking off all of these panels here, thinking that's the way to get into it, so I thought the quickest thing to do is to make a video and show you all. In this model, there's 10 screws. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and for those that wish to do it, the 2 at the front, 9 and 10, that one there. If you don't wish to take these 2 off, the whole thing just flips forward, but I will show you it completely off now. So let's get on. These are the ones at the top. The 4 there. You will have to break this sticker if you haven't been in there before, and then you see it comes off like so, but I am going to just undo the 2 front ones. This is the 2 at the front. And as you see, it all comes off like so. You are going to have to just unplug the LED lights here. Like so. And now it's free. It's that simple, ladies and gents. Really, really handy for getting in and seeing what a mess it is in here. Oh my God. Right, okay, well, there you go. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a great day today. Take care of yourselves. Stay safe. Bye-bye.